So I'm using the large gouge right now. It's doing a pretty nice job. The smaller one, I don't think I got sharp enough. Really not doing a very good job right now. I think it's just a matter of getting a little bit sharper. That's taking pretty decent sized chunks out of it, especially as we get that material a little bit nicer, a little bit flatter, and a lot smoother. It does a lot better job taking that material out. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. I'm going to resharpen the hook knife, and I'm going to resharpen the small gouge on this as well.